Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Cyprian Peter. In case you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. Let's get right into this beat. Today we're going to make a beat, an Afro beat, bongo type of Afro beat, a beat that you can sell in East Africa. So yeah, it's an R&B. You can call it an R&B. If you've listened to Otile Brown, likes of J Melody, yeah. So we are going to make a beat that can sweet people like sing in that style. So let's get right into it. Yeah, so in this beat, we are going to start with the first thing that I played in this beat. It's crazy. The first thing that I played was this guitar here. This is the idea I had in the beginning. Yeah, and in this beat, we're going to use purely stock plugins. So everything I'm going to play, it's going to be stock. There is nothing from the external or third-party plugins. So this is an acoustic guitar, and for those who doesn't believe easily, let me show you where you get this guitar from. You get this guitar from, let me close that. This is where you get the guitar from. This is the guitar we are talking about, classical acoustic. That's where you get this guitar. Yeah, and the second thing that I played to complement that guitar was this piano, these FL keys. Yeah, that is FL keys. FL keys, guys. I know there are guys who won't believe these FL keys. Compressed piano, it's a preset within the FL keys. Yeah, so I played those two, and then I got the vibe going. After this the next thing I'm going to have playing, let's play both of these together and yeah, and feel how they feel. Yeah, after those two, the next thing that I had playing was this jazz guitar. This guitar is from Flex. If you have upgraded your FL Studio, you got this guitar in Flex. That is where you get it from. And this is how it sounds on its own. Yeah, so these two are complementing each other, this guitar and the other classical acoustic. Let's play both of them together and feel the kind of vibe they bring in. They complement each other and feel it makes the beat feel like interesting. It tickles the ears. So yeah, the guitar plus the piano, these are the sounds. Yeah, the next thing that I added was this sax, alto sax from the same plugin Flex. This is how it sounds on its own. Sorry. Yeah, so this alto sax and the rest, these are the sounds. Yeah, the next thing that I added was this flute. this flute here, this flute here, this flute here. This is the next thing that I added. From the same plugin, this from Flex. Yeah, so let's put this one here to hear how things stand out. Now that the guitar and the leads were complementing each other, all those leads, I felt that the piano or the chords needed something to spice them up. So I added this. This is a close grant from FL Studio stock plugins. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, so this is how it sounds on its own. Play the track. Yes, and now from that, this is how it sounds all together. Yeah, man, things were turning out sweet. From there, I got this bass going on. A very simple bass line. This bass line is a combination of FL Studio plugins. One comes from acoustic and the other one comes from 3 aux. I've layered both of them. This acoustic over here, and the other one is this is 3 aux. 3 aux, guys. If you don't know how to set this bass, you just open 3 aux and then pull down these knobs to 1024 to make sure they are -24. The cuss. You pull it down to -24 and then you'll get a very solid buzz. This is how the bass sounds like. It's just a dotted bass. A common buzz. Yeah, so there I hand things running smoothly. So this is how it sounds. Yeah, man. Then from there, I now came to percussions, and the first thing for percussions was the kick, because that was just fill in. You just click over here and fill each 4 steps, and you're done. The kick was done. Simple and easy. Then we got the snare going on. Yeah, man. And then we got this FPC percussions going on. Let's play it on its own. It doesn't make sense on its own anyway. Yeah, so when we combine all these together, these are the sounds. This is how it sounds. Then from there, I added a pad. Guys, I got this from Citrus. Armor pad or something. This from Citrus. This from Flex and Citrus. I learned 2 pads together. Hammer pad from Flex and orchestra from Citrus. Look for orchestra somewhere. I don't know where. Just around here. Pads. That's where you get it from. So the pad sounds like this on its own. Yeah, man. And now when we combine everything together, these are these things sounds, man. It sounds so sweet. Then the last thing that I did was this percussion, which is not a must. You can decide not to add them or add them. Yeah, these are just bongos playing randomly. Yeah, that sounds like that. And the other one is another bongo also with low frequencies. Going to the left. Don't know how YouTube will tune this. Yeah, man, and with that, the beat was done. The beat was done. Nice, simple, and very easy, guys. So the only thing that we are going to earn together is this tag. Make sure you always tag your beats, man. You know, you never know who is listening. You never know who is listening to the beat. So always make sure that you tag, you put your tag on your beats, guys. This is how it sounds. So if you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe. It really helps us. It means the world to us. And if you have been around, thank you so much for supporting our dream. Yeah, so let's roll the beat.
Purchase a track today. Purchase a track today. Purchase a track today. Purchase a track today. CP made it.
So yeah, man, that's it, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Cyprian Peter, and I've been your host. This is Noob's Corner. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.